Hey guys, you're most welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm teaching you how to use Zoom on your mobile. Are you having a meeting and you do not know how to use Zoom? Then I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom and join a meeting. If you like such content, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. First, we're going to download Zoom. So to download Zoom, you're going to go to your Play Store. If you have an Android phone, then you will search up for Zoom. So when you search for Zoom, you download it. But since I already have it, I just need to update mine. So let me have a quick update and then we get straight to how to use Zoom. So then I'm going to open my Zoom app. Once I open it, this is the display. Start a meeting, which simply means we join a video meeting on the go. Then we have join a meeting. We can either sign up or sign in if you already have an account. Then you'll be able to message your team. Then you get zooming. So number 2, we're going to learn how to join a meeting. So once you click on join meeting, it's going to bring for you a display, and to join a meeting host must have sent you the meeting ID and the password. So right there where you see Cynthia Hope is where you're going to put your name. After putting your name, below join options we have don't connect to audio. Maybe you do not want someone to hear what you're saying. And then also join without a video. Join a meeting, the meeting host always has to give you the meeting ID and the password. So let me quickly join this meeting and we see what will be displayed. So I'm going to click on join, then they prompt me to fix in the passcode, after which I'm now in the meeting. So let's see what is there. We have join audio. When you click on the call over internet, you can be able to hear what others are saying. You mute yourself. You can either open your video, share to share. You have to be the host of the meeting to be able to share. So when you click on participants, it will show you people who are in the meeting. As for now, I'm the only one in the meeting, so when I click on my name, I can either raise my hand or I can change my name. So I'm called Cynthia Hope, so I won't change my name. I'll leave it Cynthia Hope. So if I can go to more, we have more options. Since the host is not there, I can claim the host role. But then let's go to the chat. Under chat, you can be able to send a message to everyone or to a particular member or participant in the chat. When you click on more, you're going to click on meeting settings. You can be able to see the meeting topic, show names when participants join, or show non-video participants. It depends on your choice. So if I also click on that more option, we have reactions. If you do not want to unmute or disrupt the person presenting and you want to react to what they have said, you're happy, you have appreciated, you can be able to click on the reaction. To be able to know more about the meeting, you can click on the Zoom and it will give you the meeting ID, the host, the passcode, and invitation link in case you want to share it. And then that's just it. So I'm going to leave them. If you have learned something, be sure to subscribe for amazing videos. Let's continue with that. Next is how to sign up for a meeting. So you click back to Zoom and you click on sign up. On the option sign up, if you do not have an account already, so they'll ask you to give in your date of birth. So I'll just change to any random date here, and then after putting in your date of birth, you're going to set, and then it will take you to email, your first name and last name. That's all you need. Then after, you sign up for an account with Zoom. But since I already have, let's go straight and I sign in because I already have. And then it has the option of fingerprint. Keep watching to know more about how to use your fingerprint to sign in. So after signing in, this is what will be displayed. You can either now start a new meeting, you join a meeting, schedule one, or share your screen. And then you can also add contacts. So if I tap on start a meeting. Since I now have a Zoom account, I have a personal meeting ID. I can either use my personal meeting ID and turn off my video as I join in, or I can join a meeting just as we had looked at before. You can join the meeting, just put in the meeting ID and the passcode, and then you just join the meeting. And you can also disable the audio and the video as you join the meeting. Then if we go back to the display, we can schedule a meeting. Scheduling a meeting simply means you have the meeting at a later time, so you can put the meeting name, then you put the meeting name, then you put the date when you want to have the meeting. You set. After selecting the date, you can set it, and then you can put the time. Maybe if you want it from a specific time to a particular time, you set that time. And then you can also change the time zone, but I'm in East Africa, so I'll just put Nairobi time, because that's what we use. And then you can either repeat the meeting, or it's a one-time meeting. Okay, one-time meeting. And then you can either use your personal meeting ID, or you can choose to create another ID. So you can scroll down and add some settings. You can also change the passcode to make it easier for your participants to access the meeting. Enable waiting room, allow only authorized users. So I choose to use a simple passcode for this meeting, and then I can then enable waiting room. That simply means I will be the one to admitting the people in the meeting, or choose authorized users, that is those who are signed into Zoom. So there are a lot of features. So the meeting options, you can either host video on or participant video on, all those. You can also add it on your calendar, such that you can be reminded when you have the meeting, then you schedule it, and then you can share it out. Once you've scheduled the meeting, you can be able to share it out. And then you can also view your meeting details, that the ID. But if I go back to, now I can go back on my share screen to also enable people share screen. I can fix in a code which I can share to them, and those who are not the host of the meeting or who have joined my meeting can be able to share their screen. So if you click on meetings, it will show you the scheduled meetings. It will show you the scheduled meetings. It shows you your personal meeting ID. And then if you click on contacts, you can either add your contacts from your phone. You select the region, and then if you click on settings, you just see the settings of your account. If you check on mine, I can add a picture that I've not yet added. I'll add one. I can rename myself, set a personal note, maybe more information about me, such that other people who join my meeting can find or get to know me better, or update my password, put the department I'm in, job title, location. To change your password, you need to just put the old one and then the new one. You can also upgrade, since I'm using the basic one, which only allows 100 users, and it has a time limit. So if I want to upgrade, I can be able to upgrade it. Yes, it only allows 100 participants. And then that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you've learned something, be sure to subscribe for amazing content from Cynthia Hope. And if you want to get to know any other thing about Zoom, you can leave it down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. and I can also be able to share out or add contacts from either email or from my contact list. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.